In today's video, I'll show you guys how to upgrade NFS Underground 2 with remastered visuals, better textures, reflections, and modern effects. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link and scroll down, select the download option. Just need to wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, select the download now option and you just need to wait for this to done. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Now just minimize this. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop all these mod files into your game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination. Select do this and select continue. Now after drag and drop these files, just close stuff here and open up Chrome and search text mod exe NFS Underground 2. Inside this NFS course official site, inside the download option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. And now right click on the tracks mod.exe and select run as administrator and select yes option. Select this big folder icon and navigate to the game location. C drive program files x86 NFS Underground 2. Scroll down and select the speed2.exe and select open option. And now select the small folder icon and select browse. And same way navigate to the game folder. After you are in game folder, you can able to see remaster.tpf. Select the file and select open option and select run option. Game stuck on black screen. Let's close the game again, run it. After opening the second time, the game launches fine. Now launch the game. Now I show you guys a before and after. You can easily compare two videos. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.